March 3rd, 2007. Hi, Angie. Hi, sweetie. Aw, look at you, Angie. Look at you, sweetie. What you doing, Angie? JJ, you have your ball? Does JJ have his ball? Hi, sweetie. Angie loves to rub her head on the bushes. She's ruined almost all our bushes, haven't you, sweetie? That feels so good, yeah. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Angie. How's my girl? Hi, sweetheart. Are you guys woofing? Are you woofing, Angie? What do you hear? What do you hear, Angie? Oh boy, is it windy out here. Whoa! Angie, what's going on? What's all that wind? JJ, can you bring me your ball? Beagle, you want to bring Mommy your ball? JJ. Hi, Angie. Are you my girl? Angie, are you my girl? Hi, sweetie.